Hello there. In this guide, I will show you how to use split screen mode, which allows you to use two apps simultaneously, perfect for multitasking. Here is how to enable it. Open the first app you want to use and then tap the recent apps button, usually a square or three vertical lines. Tap the apps icon at the top of its window or hold your finger on the app until a box with option appears. Select Open in Split Screen View option. Choose the second app from your recent apps list or app drawer. Now you can drag the divider to adjust the screen space for each app. That is it for this guide. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.